long it takes me to edit these goddamn videos.
Put your head on my shoulder.
Hey y'all, it's Crystal Jade. I'm on the floor right now, but that's okay. I thought I'd come at you with an editing video because I find it so cute and so sweet that you guys actually notice how hard and how long it takes me to edit these goddamn videos. But needless to say, I've gotten many questions and many comments about how I edit my YouTube videos, and I'm very surprised because sometimes I think my videos kind of look trash. But needless to say, I'm coming at y'all with an editing tutorial on how I edit my videos and all the apps I use. And let me know what else you guys want to see down in the comments, and just stay tuned if you guys are interested in knowing how I edit my YouTube videos. Hey y'all, so I'm going to go into the free app called iMovie. You guys can get this in any Apple iPhone or Apple device. Press create project, movie. And I'm just going to enter the intro and the outro I made for this YouTube video already, because honestly I already made the intro and the outro. So we're just going to create a movie. So we're going to press the videos that we want to use. So this one and this one. Press create movie. There are transitions in between clips, so you guys can change the transitions. I like to use theme, and I like to make it 0.5 seconds, and I like to make the transition have a sound. So you just have to click this right here to make it have a sound or to make it not have a sound, but I like it to have a sound personally. And to split a clip, you just select this, press split. It's pretty easy. And to cut a clip, you can press split again and then delete. To duplicate a clip, you press that, press duplicate, and you guys can even change the volume. You guys can change the time. You guys can make it slow motion or fast motion or in the middle. You guys can even freeze it. And to zoom in, all you have to do is press a clip, press split, press where you want the zooming effect to end, press split again, press that clip in the middle, press this magnifying glass right here, and pinch to zoom. You pinch out to zoom in, and you pinch to zoom out, guys. And let's talk about audio. So I like to get my audio from YouTube. Honestly, I just screen record some music and put it on my videos. Go to video, select all, and let's just do this Chirac song. All you have to do is press the 3 dots right here and press audio only. And that's where your audio is gonna be. Hey y'all, it's Crystal Jade. I'm on the floor right now, but that's okay. There we go. And I often like to add before my intro. So here's my intro. Here's my intro. And before my intro, I like to add maybe some kind of funny clip, but I like to put a background on it. And I like my background to match my clothes. I don't know why, y'all. Don't even ask me. So black aesthetic background because I'm wearing a black shirt. In that video, I'm just gonna download this random background. Download image. And right here, we're just gonna press on photos and we're gonna press add. We have to press the plus sign if you want to add videos or pictures into the movie. And just gonna select a random video. Let's just select this random video that I made earlier. This is not an actual movie or video. I'm just showing you guys this for an example. This movie is honestly looking probably tacky, but I hope y'all understand what I mean. And we're gonna press picture in picture. That way the picture will go right on top of that background. I'm just gonna cut it right here so that it won't go over my intro. Delete. And we can resize this picture if we want it to be big or small. Now let's talk about green screens. So I like to download my green screens from YouTube. There are a lot of cool green screens. I'll have everything linked down below. But for example, let's do this subscribe green screen right here. I'm going to press the 3 dots again and press green/blue screen. And it'll go right over your video. But as you can see, it kind of looks faded. So you're going to want to press that green screen and you're going to want to press this right here. And it says strength. If you put it low strength, it's going to look really faded. But if you put it high strength, it's going to look not faded. So all you guys have to do is press high strength if you guys don't want your video to be looking weird and tacky. Even though my shit already probably do. But I'm just giving y'all examples here. And if you want to add another video, you just press the plus sign. I think you guys know that already. But I'm just going to add my outro here. Press the plus sign. And if you want to play a video before you add it, you can press this play icon here. I apologize for my outro being loud. I already know it is. And you guys can even add sound effects on iMovie. Press audio, sound effects. You guys got a whole bunch of different cool sound effects here. I like to use the kids cheering one. And you guys can even do voiceovers. Just press voiceover if you want your voice to be over your video. All you have to do is press record and move the playhead to where you want your voice to be recorded at. So that is basically all for iMovie, but I want to go into this app called VLLO. This is where I like to add all of my letters and stuff because I don't like to add letters in iMovie. I don't know why. I just feel like VLLO looks very nice with the letters. So I'm just going to add the random intro that I made for this video. And I'm going to show you guys how to add text. Just press text. They have a lot of cool fonts here, guys. I like to use this one. So just say hello. And you guys can move it to where you want it to be. You guys can make it shorter or longer. So like that. And your text. You can even add an animation to it. So make it zoom in when it comes in. You can even change the style. Make it look yellow. The font. Something like that. I really don't like anything too fancy, but I like to change up my text. Sometimes I would use this font right here, as you guys probably can tell. And sometimes I would like to use labels. So labels, you press on the labels, kind of move it around a little bit. And for a slow zoom in effect, press on the video, press split, press partial setting, and then go to wherever you want the zoom in effect to end. Press the video again, press split, and hold on, this takes a bit. And press this right here, and just zoom in, or you can zoom out. You can zoom however you want to zoom. I like the zoom in effect. Hard and how long it takes me to edit these goddamn videos. Yep, there you go. So that's basically all, guys. You can add a filter. I like to add the filter to make myself look a little bit brighter. So yeah, that's basically all. Oh, and the picture, hold on. So I like to add my Instagram. Sometimes in my videos, you could zoom in, make it look bigger. And in order to create that iPhone effect, like this one, all you have to download is an iPhone PNG, and you can basically do that little iPhone effect. Make the screen fit in here. So So yeah, that is basically what I do, guys. That's all the basics. Let me know if I missed anything. Let me know if you guys have any more questions, but that is basically all. That is all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for supporting. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, leave a nice comment down below telling me what you guys want to see next. Leave nice and supportive comments down below. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment if y'all want. Click the bell icon so you can get notification every time I post a brand new video. And I will see y'all on the next one. Bye.
Angels like you.